Yes, I have given it. Okay.
So we can see here in a stack we will have if we are going to make the stack class. First of all, we will declare the data members. Okay. So
yeah,
we know that we need three things to maintain a stack. Number one, an array. So you can define an array here. Okay. Int or
okay,
an array. You can make its name and you can define that array here.
okay,
Okay. Private, like we know that this should be the private, and you will not
yeah,
mention any size, or you will not initialize that array. Okay, just
yeah.
declare an array here. Okay, like you did
Oh,
here.
okay,
Int array and put the semicolon. Okay, next we need the size or capacity variable. Okay, so we can put
okay,
here private int capacity or size. Okay, whatever we need.
okay,
The third variable, the data member that we need is a top variable, okay? Because we need to maintain a top.
yes, okay.
We need to maintain a top variable here, okay? So this is top
Yes.
now. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Now the next thing is we are going to declare the stack constructor, okay? So we will
Okay.
define a constructor here, and in the constructor we will take an integer parameter size. Okay, size, and only one parameter size. Okay,
Okay.
whenever
Only
we
one.
will define a size, and we will initialize here the array size and the top variable whenever we are going to insert. Okay, we can define here array1 is equal to new int of size, and then capacity is equal to size. Okay, array1, we have defined the private member array1 here, array1,
Yes.
and then equal to, now we can define, do not need this symbol. Okay, because we have already defined.
Oh, yes. Okay.
New int,
int.
inside size we will mention here. Okay, very good. Int, we have to mention here int. Okay, we have to write.
Yeah. Okay.
This is semicolon. Now this is array is initialized. So we will initialize size equal to size. The size of the stack will be set is equal to size. Okay.
Okay.
And the top variable will be set to the -1. Okay. Whenever we are going to create an stack. Okay. So this is the stack constructor function. Okay.
Constructor.
Understand? So
Yeah.
next we need we know that there are different operations, and first of all we define the push operation here. Okay, on the stack. So we will define here the push operation, which will be the public operation. Okay, define the scope that public, it will return nothing, and we will push function always take an element. Okay, of type stack that it needs to be pushed. Okay. So we can put here int somehow I, like I. Okay, now we first of all we will check here before pushing that whether this is full or not. Okay,
full or empty. Okay, I'll just copy it from the previous one if you don't mind.
Okay, we can copy here. Okay, we can copy full and that one. Basically we are doing here you need to remove here the static word. Okay, you cannot make them static. Okay, now you can call here in the push. Okay, if is full, for example, if is full, not no is full, if is full.
Oh, is full. Okay,
not if is full. Okay, is full is not called properly, you have to mention parenthesis. Okay, after is full.
Oh yes, sorry. Yes.
If is full, then we are going to print here overflow. Okay, stack overflow, because we know that whenever is full return true, it means that this is and else. In the else you can push the element. Okay, and in the else you can type here you can push here array else array 1 and at the index of plus plus top plus plus top. Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Plus plus top mean that first of all the value of top will be incremented and then it will be used. Okay. If you will write here top plus plus, okay, then could be the error. Okay, equal to I.
Yeah.
Equal to I.
Yes, equals to I.
This is the difference between postfix and the prefix notation. Okay. This is the difference between postfix and prefix notation.
Prefix.
Okay? Prefix notation. This will be the difference here. Okay. So we can have the push function here.
Okay.
And we can also, whenever it will be like the stack overflow, it should terminate. So we can call here the function like a system.exit, I think. Okay. System.exit. System.
I'm sorry. What I lagged out a bit for a second. Sorry.
Okay, I was saying that. Can you give me the control?
Okay.
Whenever this system overflow will come, and after executing this statement, the system should. Okay. The system.
Okay.
Exit. Yes. And here it should be 1. So the system will be exited. Okay.
Exit. Okay.
Now go to the now write here the pop function. Okay.
Pop will return.
Pop will just remove the value, not return. Okay. Pop will
just
remove the value. Okay.
Yes.
So definitely it will check if is empty. Okay. Okay. Use the in the same way like we had used in the line number 16. Okay. Is empty. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Without the
it's empty, then it was
start out dot stack underflow. Our stack is empty. Okay. Stack empty. You can make here the message stack is empty, and then we can exit as well. Exit as well. Stack exit and as well. And else, if it is not, then what we are going to just minus into the top.
Minus top. Yeah.
Just we will do top, and the index of the top will be the minus. Okay.
Yeah.
We can also return this value. Okay. We can also return this value, and then we can say that this value is returned. Okay. If we want to, for example, else, and make a sys out here. Make a sys out here. Yes. Okay. I think you have not declared the parent angle bracket.
Oh yes.
Yeah, that's right. That's why it's giving an error. Okay, and you can write here. Let me do it. Okay.
Okay.
Moving. Put here plus. Okay.
Okay.
This will be a system out that this variable is going to be removed. Okay, or this value is going to be removed.
Popped. Okay.
Now we have a function here, peak function, which returns the top value. Okay, so this will return the top value. It will be integer because we are making an integer stack here. So just it will before returning, it can check that whether it is empty or not. Okay, so if is empty, okay, then return 0. Return 0. Yes, then return 0. Return 0 will exit. Okay, else else return array of top. Okay, then we will return the top element, array 1 of top. Okay, the top element will be returned. Understand?
Okay. Yes.
Now we have the is full function and we have the is empty function. I think you had remembered that we can make it more simple. This code can be made more simple. You understand? Okay. Comment this code, please. And, only write here return, okay, top double equal size minus 1. Okay. Look at here. Now it will compare this value top double equal size minus 1. So it will return whether true or not. Okay. If it will be equal, then it will return true. If it is not equal, then it will return false. Understand?
Okay. Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So this is the shortest version of this one. We can comment and we can write here return top double equals minus 1. Okay. Top double equals minus 1. So it will return true when it will be minus 1. Otherwise, it will return false. Now we have only one function. Okay. Now try to make two string function for the stack class. Is it working or not? So let's try that one. Otherwise, we will make a display. You remember that how to add two string function?
Oh yeah, yeah. I do.
Okay. Try to add that one. Yes, source.
Yes. Generate two string.
Let me say what it does. Okay, so it is going to override string array1 arrays dot to string array. Okay, it is calling arrays automatically. Okay, so all array will be printed here, then the size will be printed and top will be printed. Excellent. Okay.
Yeah.
It will be. Now create a test class. We are finished with the stack class. Okay. Now we can make here another class that will test this stack.
Test.
Create a main function here. Okay. Yes. Inside the main function, okay, we can make here declare a stack here with the class name. Okay, stack. Yes. STK1.
S1.
S1. Okay. Let's
S1 is fine. Right?
S1 equal to new stack and put here the size, because you know that we have defined the constructor with the size. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So we have to mention here.
Then
we put here 5 only. 5. Let's
5. Okay.
No, just print here the stack. Okay. Sys out S1, and let's see what happens. S1. Okay. Just S1.
Yeah.
Because we have made the two string function, so you can see here. Okay. Stack is total free, size is equal to 5, and top is equal to minus 1.
Negative minus 1. Yes.
Now you can push here the value, check and push here. For example, push 3 values here.
Okay.
S1 dot push and put some integer here. Okay. Create a random number here. Okay. Create a random between 1 and 100.
Okay. Shall I use the math.random or use a random class?
Math dot random we can use. Whatever, we are just going to increase, decrease there. Multiply.
Yeah.
It is math, I think, not maths.
Oh yes, math.random.
And then multiply.
By 10.
Outside the parenthesis.
Oh yes, yes.
Multiply.
Between 1 to 10?
Yes, between 1 to 10. So let's say, is it working? What is saying that? The method in the type is not applicable for the argument double. Okay. Okay. Yeah. This will create a double argument. Okay. So we will have to, you can use here round off. We have the function that is round off function. What is Look at here.
I'm not sure.
Okay. Math dot ABS absolute value and floor and max and increment, but returns the double value of an int value. Okay. What does this ABC do? Okay. Round, yes, this one. Round.
But this is a float though.
This is round. Okay. This will be okay. This will be okay. Put the round. Check.
Okay, round.
Then put inside here the math dot random multiply by 10. Okay.
Yeah.
Math dot random and then multiply by 10. Let's check that. No. What is that?
Change the push into push long. Yes.
This is long. Okay. No, it returns long.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we need the integer here. Okay.
Yeah.
So how
can we just cast this one and with int?
Yes, we can cast this int, but this casting will not work here. Like if we put you are thinking about to write this one.
Yeah, like that. Yes.
Okay. Okay, we are casting this one. Okay. So
okay.
Now push it again.
Okay.
Push 5 random numbers or 3 random numbers. Yes, this is 4.
Okay.
Now run it and let's see. Yes, you can see it.
Yeah, it's not generating properly.
It is not generating. Oh, because when we convert it into int, I think let's do that. Okay.
Or shall we just change the push to double?
No. I think this is the problem. Now run it.
Oh, okay. It works. Then I will just.
Okay, you can see here because it converts 0, 1 into that one, and it becomes 0, and then it multiply with the 10. Okay. Now, first, now you will see that 2, 1, 6, 9, 7. Size is equal to 5, and top is equal to 4. Call once more the push operation here. Okay.
Okay.
Call once more the push operation, and you will see here when we will call this function, stack overflow should be printed. Okay.
Yes.
And it is exited. Understand?
Yes.
So before calling the S1, the line number 15, okay, stack overflow was called and the system exited, okay?
Yeah.
If we do not make their system exited, so go there into stack and comment the line system exit and then check that what will happen. Just comment that one in the this was in the push. Okay, just comment this one line.
Yeah.
Now you run it, you will see there will be, I think there will be an exception. Okay, you can stack overflow is printed and then also the stack value is printed. Okay.
Yeah.
So it is illogical.
Yeah. Okay.
Whenever the stack underflow and stack overflow condition should be there, so system should be exited. Okay, not it should be there.
Yeah.
So you can go there and now you can pop, you can call the pop function 5 times and then you will see. Okay, I think you pop it. Okay, st.pop. Just we will call pop. Okay, we can copy and paste. Copy.
Yeah.
Okay, I would like if you print the stack of after every pop. Okay, so we can get the clear picture. Okay, understand? Yes.
Yeah.
Now we will get the clear picture. Look at.
Okay.
Removing 8. Removing 2 because 2 was the first one. Okay, and
yeah.
And then we can removing 5. Then it is 3. Then it is 7, and then it is 0. Okay, the top value becomes 3, 2, 1, 0, and then at the end it is -1. Okay,
-1. But don't the the elements change in the array?
Yes, it is. It should not be printed here. Okay, it should not be printed.
Okay.
That's why it is showing them. You can.
Yeah.
Okay, we are using toString function. Okay. This
Yes.
is the error of toString. Okay, look at here. Go to the toString.
Okay.
And in the toString, you can see here arrays dot toString array1. Okay, so it is every time printing the array. And in the pop function, go to the pop function. We are just decreasing the top element. We are not removing the element. Understand?
Yes.
Understand? We are just minus remove. So this toString is not working best for us. Okay. So we make here this display stack function. Okay. We make here display stack. Yes, public display stack. Just display, I think. No, not the word stack. Just display. And here we will make a loop from top. We can copy paste the previous code. Okay. We have written.
Okay.
You remember that? Yes.
Yes.
Just remove the word static.
Yes.
Okay, and here you will my stack in place of my stack. It should be array1.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Now this is the display. Now if you will call this display after everyone, then you can see, I think we will see here s1 dot display. Dot display. Okay. S1 dot.
What's error?
Because it is not returning the value. Okay.
Yeah.
We can just call s1 dot display. Okay.
Yes.
It is not returning the value. We can call like this one. Okay. S1 dot. Now you can run it. Let's see. Yes. Look at it. Now check that one. Before.
Yes. One of them are
line number 13. Okay. Call this display dot here. Before first pop. Before first pop.
Yeah.
Okay? Yes. Now it will make 100% sense. Okay. Now you run it. You will see this was the stack first. Okay. 1 to 8 and the first one will be removed because value will be removed from the top. Okay. Removing 1 and we see 8, 6, 4, 3 here. Okay. Then removing the top value 8 and 6, 4, 3. Then removing 6, then removing 4 and then removing 3. Understand? And because we are still using that function, that's why it is showing that. Okay. The last line of our code is a toString. Okay. We comment this line number 27. Okay. And at line number 26, again call the pop function. Then you will see the underflow condition will be raised. Okay. If we call at an empty stack, okay, now we know that the stack is empty. Okay.
Yes.
Now you can see that after removing, if we are going to call, then it will say that stack is empty and program will be exited.
Yes.
And it is already exited. Understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Now we have the last option there. Okay. Now we have the last option, and that is about the peak one. Okay. We can use it.
Okay. Shall I just comment all of these?
Yes, you can comment that one, whatever. The peak function returns the current element. Okay. We are here. We will call peak. It will return the top element because yes, if we run here, because peak is returning value. Okay. So we can print system out. Okay. So you can see it. Okay. Now
3.
The 3 is printed. Okay. The random number was before this display and then print this one.
Okay.
So we can see that whether it is printing the right one. Display will show a stack. Okay.
Yeah.
The stack top element is 2 and you can see the last after 3 it is showing 2. Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Very good. Now
okay.
You can see, okay. The top element is 9 and it is also showing the 9.
9. Yes.
Understand?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So this is, you can see the code again, once again, scroll through the code, and because you have written yourself, so I don't think you have any problem with that one. If you see the code, Okay, it is
Yeah.
pretty simple.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this is the implementation of stack using Java class or object-oriented programming. Understand?
Yeah.
Thank you.